Mung Beans Coconut Rice. One of the tastiest vegetarian recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the yellow rice recipes and one of the most unique of the fried rice recipes and one of the most delicious of the mung beans recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the coconut recipes and one of the most unique of the coconut rice recipes. To make mung beans coconut rice, ingredients are 1 spoon of fennel seeds, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 1 green chili, 2 red chilies, 25 grams of garlic, 25 grams of ginger, and 100 grams of mung beans soaked in water, and 75 grams of grated coconut. Put in the grated coconut into the grinder. Put in a red chili and 1 clove of garlic and a few pieces of ginger and around a quarter spoon of fennel seeds and a small piece of tomato, cloves, and grind well. Heat the pan, pour in 10 ml of oil. Put in the fennel seeds. Salt. Now put in the shallots, 4 to 5 shallots, salt, salt thoroughly until the shallots lose the reddish color. Keep on sauteing. Put in the ginger. salt, and salt. Thoroughly salt mix. Now put in the garlic, salt, now put in the tomato pieces. That's ready. Now the tomato pieces are ready. The rest of the mixture. Put in green chili and the red chili, salt, put in the ground coconut mix. And mix. Squeeze in the juice of half of a lemon. put in the mung beans into the mixture. Mix thoroughly. Now pour in 300 ml of water. Mix. Put in salt to taste. Mix thoroughly and let this mixture cook for 15 minutes in the pressure cooker. After cooking for the required time, put in a cup of washed and soaked rice. Mix and let this mixture cook for 15 minutes in the pressure cooker. Now the mung beans coconut rice is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. Mung beans coconut rice recipe. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the yellow rice recipe and one of the most delicious of the beans recipe and one of the most unique of the fried rice recipes and one of the most different of the coconut rice recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.